Very good afternoon to all of you. Well, this batch of graduate marine engineering cadets had commenced their training on 1st December 2019 and had to leave their training due to the lockdown. They rejoined the practical training on 1st December 2020, a day after they were to pass out. They completed their practical training, toiling at 12 hours a day from Monday to Saturday, as permitted by DG Shipping. In fact, these batch has gone through one of the toughest times. In fact, not only the batch, in fact, every industry, the population, the country has gone through tough time. All the 48 cadets are placed with the esteemed shipping companies. They will leave the hostel after remaining in the campus for the last 3.5 months. It had been like a long voyage sailing at a slow speed. They were looked after well by the IMS and the catering staff, maintaining the SOPs and the best diet. None of the cadets had any health issues in this period. I think IMS staff has taken care of all these students very well. We need your support to place passing out diploma cadets on board ships. They are well trained due to their 2 years at IMS. Also, the 32 graduate marine engineering cadets who will join training on 17th March 2021 are unplaced and will pass out in June and need your assistance for their placement. All the shipping companies have faith in our training. Even during the pandemic and tough times, the institution has ensured that the training is taken care and has been able to provide best of the standards to these students. Now, on this occasion, I wish all the cadets the best for their future. I am sure, having gone through this training, having passed through this time, they are well prepared for the future. Remember the teaching at IMS and be in touch with your alma mater during your career. The IMS team would be always pleased to interact and support you. And thank you very much. With this, I'm sure we look forward to a very, very bright future of these cadets, and the world is theirs, the future is theirs, and I'm sure everyone of extremely of their life. Thank you very much.